Hey guys, I took a sell trade on volatility 50 index here. You can see I'm moving in good profits, and I shot this sell signal as well. So how I was able to see this sell opportunity on V50 index? How did I know this index is going to sell from this zone? You guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame, right? It can be the weekly time frame, it can be the daily time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So on the weekly time frame on this index, you can see that this index has been bullish. Like, this index gave a massive bullish move, right? Then it got to this point, it got to a certain level, a certain highs, and started reversing back to the downside. So I got these highs spotted. So on market reversing to the downside, I had a level which I identified on this blue line, right? I knew that this index is going to come test this level, and this is basically a zone, right? This is a zone on this index. So I also marked out this level. So why haven't we gotten a rejection, a buy move from this zone? Since I'm expecting the market reactions from this zone, like a buy move from this level. Basically, this index is still bullish, and I also identified the market trend. Regardless of having this sells to the downside, V50 index is still bullish long term. I'm still expecting more buy move on this index. The sales we're getting at this point is a result of market reaction from this zone and a retracement back to this broken level of resistance, now turned support at this point. So before price can buy from this level, I'm expecting price to get to a certain zone. I'm expecting price to get to a certain level, which is at this point, right? So this gave me the sell confidence. Since market was still at this zone, I knew that market is still going to sell more, at least to this point, before we can get the buy move to the upside. So I got my view and market buyers on this index. So we got this level, this reversal pattern formation price created at this point. Price created an inverted head and shoulders pattern, the left shoulder here, the head at this zone, right, and the right shoulder at this point. So I knew that market is going to sell to this zone before the buy move to the upside in the coming hours and days on V50 index. So I was expecting the sell move to this level, the test of the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern formation, as well as a test of our trend support. We got our trend support at this one. We've seen how price has bought whenever it gets to this level, this trend level. The buy is here as a support. So I'm basically expecting market to sell to this zone to buy from it as well, right? This trend support, as well as the neckline of our inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. So on the 4-hour time frame, I had a zone, a level spotted. Basically, I had this level identified. This is a head and shoulders pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation, and we got this pattern formation on these sells, on this long sell move. We got a head and shoulders pattern formation, which means that more sales is still expected on V50 index. So let's spot this market formation. Basically, this the right shoulder, the left shoulder here, sorry, left shoulder at this zone, right, the head at this point, and the right shoulder at this zone. Then we have the neckline of this pattern formation here, the neckline here, right? So I was expecting price to do what? To retest this neckline, which price actually did on the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see clearly that market gave a retest of this head and shoulders pattern, the neckline here, which is as well a level of support that got broken, not on resistance. So on this retest, I waited for more confirmations, more sell move, which price actually gave, right? Price gave this sell, the first sell, the second sell. You can see this on the 50-minute time frame, right? So I got into the sells at this zone, and I shared this sell signal. I've taken partials in this trade, and I'm likely to move my stop loss below my entry to secure the remaining positions. More sales still expected, at least to this point, right? My first target level is at this zone. Regardless of that, I've still taken partial profits. Like, I've paid myself in the trade. More sales expected. First target level at that zone, right? Second target level would be at this point, which is our general level, our point of focus on V50 index. So that's this, guys. That was how I was able to take the sell trade on volatility 50 index by identifying the market structure from a higher time frame and working alongside with the market structure for my entries on lower time frame. Hit the like button for more trade reviews, likes, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. Actually means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.